everyone, it's Stream from where the yokels grown. As you can see, we moved out to the front yard, and that's because I got a little extra time to do a video that I need to do, and that is clean that food forest right there. It is overgrown and it is time for it to be planted up so it can produce food for the summer. So if you all are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, I am so glad to see you again. Let's get growing, y'all. Okay, y'all, let me show you the situation. You can see how overgrown this is. We got some trees in here that need to be trimmed. We got some bushes that need to be trimmed. We have some vines that need to come out of here, so we're gonna get it all done. We're gonna take you along for the ride. And then over here, where the potato garden is, we have gotten some things that, I don't know if it's the rain that's washed the dirt away, but we gotta add some more dirt on top of these potatoes and then cover them up with mulch. And then we've got some plants in the back there. They got to move to the sensory garden. I got my clippers, I got my garden bag. For those of you who go to Dollar Tree, these are garden bags that go specifically, or you can use them for anything, but they are made to, when you're cleaning your garden, to put your trash in. Gotta go check it out, $1.25. Let's get this done. I wanted to show you what everything looks like after the cleanup. You can see we got all the crushed granite in. I did get a little bit of a footage of my husband putting it in, but he doesn't like to be on camera, which is absolutely fine. So it's just a little bit. So the potato beds right here, we put the pot, put the pot back right here. This is going to have a black cherry tomato in it. And then we got all of the dirt put here in the no-till, no-dig potato garden that had washed away, and I put back all the mulch. And then we'll start right here. We got everything cleaned out. That is our part to clean around the tree. We got everything cleaned out in the food forest here. So we'll be able to get it all planted up. We can put in the tomato forest now. Got all that vine out of here, trash, small trees. We have another pot over there, and that pot will have another cherry tomato in it. Here's a little closer look of the no-till, no-dig potato garden at the front here. Look how good that pathway looks. He did a great job. Everything's cleaned out right here. And of course, I still have all of this to do and plant. It's clean, it just, a lot of planting's got to go on over there. So the rest of the walkway continues out. Turn around. Another angle. We're going to plant flowers in here. And this right here has an artichoke in it, and then that back there has a large cherry. And there's our Buddha. Everything's cleaned out, as you can see, and it was a mess before we started. But in all, it was a good cleanup. Everything's done and it's ready to be planted. Hey y'all, we finally got it done. It was a lot of work and it took a long time. Try to shorten this video as much as I can, but I really hope that you enjoy seeing these cleaning videos. I want you to know that I have just as many struggles as all of you. I probably let this go too far before I got out here and cleaned it out, but it needed to be done. So Joey going to take a nap allowed me to get that done, and we've got it clean now. I don't know if you can see it. We got all the vines out. Still got some trash to pick up and take the weed eater around the back and get all that tall grass. But once that's done, it's clean and clear, and we can start planting in it, which I'm very thankful for because those tomatoes are getting ginormous. So if you found any kind of value in this, please give us a like and a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button because new videos are posted often. We still have one more area to clean that I'll video, and then yeah, it's gonna be messy. Till I see you in the next video, you all keep growing. You take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.